Hello everyone, welcome back. Ngasisu karang types of majority khanaraba loiraba matungda ngasi koi no topic ama koi Indian polity ki matangda koi khanaminasi makha sathar poina koi ngasidi article number 1 dagin 4 for habidi koi union in its territory habidi matangda koi na khanaminasi sisi article number 1 dagin 4 ko yawbani koi Indian constitution da which is part 1 da yawbani koi khanaba kuminarsi. Article number 1 sina kaidawi. Article number 1 describes India, that is Bharat, as a union of states rather than a federation of states. This provision deals with two things: one, name of the country, and two, type of polity. I don't makada explain fazanda. There was no unanimity in the Constitution Assembly with regard to the name of the country. Some members suggested the traditional name Bharat, while others advocated the modern name India. Hence, the Constituent Assembly had to adopt a mix of both India, that is Bharat. According to Article 1, the territory of India can be classified into three categories. Sida harise, koi India se article number 1 da describe taweba. India, that is Bharat. Kari marongi ming ani piri no India katang haibdi yadabra or Bharat katang haibdi yadabra. Kari marongi ming ani tholamino koi India se. Masi matang da haijarake ba. Matamda Constituent Assembly koi India Constitution sema matamda member kharana Constitution ki member kharana some members have stated that the additional name Bharat have ming je koi ki thaina de ki chanaraba ming ni si dom thamse na haiba adubu khara koi modernize oiraba while other advocated the modern name modernize for me kharana di koi India se jo thamse haibu de yetna ba lai bidagi koi Constitution da ming ani si same given name. Hence the Constitution Assembly had to adopt mix both the name India, that is Bharat, animak same given name. Sida hai. According to Article 1, the territory of India can be classified into three categories. Article number 1 gi matungina India se category ahum thona khaidokpa yai. Kari no hai matamda territories of the state ki territories amadi union territories amadi territories that may be acquired by the government of India at any time. The names of states and union territories and the territorial extent are mentioned in the first schedule of the Constitution. Akoigi first schedule Constitution ki first schedule da ko akoigi names of the state ka union territories ka and their traditional extent mentioned taweba first schedule da. Akoi schedule sing ai matang su makha ta class da haijarake. Sida mo explain tawre ngasai gi ming ani thangbe matang sida. India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states haije. Sida koina important oiba point ani khak haiba. This tells us two important things. Kari oiba important things ko ta ko ni yengse. Sida haije. Number 1 the name of the country India. India ki maming siyang sida. The country has two names. India ki ming ani shuiba. India modern name India se. Ama sina Bharat traditional name. Ay ngasai explain tawgido ng sida su tawre. Why both kari barang gi ming ani mo lerami. Because in the Constitution Assembly of India, some members wanted Bharat. Constitution Assembly the mi khara na Bharat have ming si pawe. Others wanted India. Khara maned India have ming si pawe. Adu maram na neba. So they used both together India, that is Bharat in the name. Si adu gibanta neba. Sita koi system of government se. Types of polity system of government se kai ni yemina se. India is called a union of state, not federation. India is a union of state. Hairamino haibase. Kari marangi India is a union ni hairibano federation haidribo kai marangi no. Haibase matang da haijarake. This idea was explained by B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar no explain tarameba. In simple reason da. Koi India se Number 1 not formed by agreement. India se agreement amaga loina na form tawiba natteba. In countries like the United States, states came together by agreement. United States yengnaradi United States singasidi moise pulap punsila se haina agreement am leinaraga tawnagiba country amaneba. khoi India da duna teba, but India was not formed like that. India da do mind form to we na teba. India di hana dagi masagi laijara ba mafam amane ba. British na lakpa dagi pharak tahan wani hana dagi laijara ba mafam amane ba. India exists before British came. British lakchika India adam lairame ba. Number 2 point that no right to separate. India da laiba state khodimak separate tabagi right leite. India states cannot leave India. India da laiba state amatana India thado jatbe yate ba. The union is indestructible. Koi India union se indestructible oeba. Thugaiba ngamoeba. Meaning, kari meaning no. India is one strong country. State exists only for administration convenience. India se some na hairabadi akan ba strong oeba country maneba. State lai se kai mamin hairabadi administration nungai na bagi da state thama maneba. Khaidom maneba. So hare easy concept to yung the India union strong center plus no breakup at all. Koi territory of India is 3 parts to khaidoe. Article 1 gi matung. According to article, India has 3 type of areas. Sida haise territories of state. Kari laire normal state like Assam, Maharashtra, etc. laire. Union territories te kai laire. Control more directly by the center. Central na control to kai ko union territories. Example na hire Delhi, Andaman, and Nicobar laire. Acquired territories te kai laire. Any new land India may get in future through process agreement, etc. India na anong land ama atopa da leirambado India da lakningba matamda India na acquire tawgadabado maduna acquired territories kore. Article 2 na kari haire. Article 2 empowers the parliament to admit into the Union of India or establish new state on such term and condition as it thinks fit. Thus, Article 2 grant 2 powers to the parliament. Article number 2 na kari haire. Empowers the parliament to admit into the Union of India or establish new state. Article number 2 na khoi anova state form tawba amadi admit into the Union of India da admit tawba anova state sing sida yaure makhata nai hajarake magi parliament ki power sing doi hajarake. The power to admit into Union of India new state admission of state which are already existent. Hana lairaba state sing sida the power to establish new states, establish of states which were not existent before. I see matang explain to jarake makada. Sida number 1 the power to admit a state habidi karino habi matamda. This means a state already exists outside India. India ki outside the lairamba state. Indian accept it into the union. India they accept our country. Example karino. If any independent country or territory wants to join India, independent country amadi territory India da join to ni malairagadi parliament can allow it. Sigi power siniba sagi ina hajagi budo. Number 2 power kaino power to establish a new state. Another state established to see explained okay. This means the state did not exist before. India creates a new state. Hanadagi leramba state nati India na now create to example creating a completely new state from a territory not previously a state. Han state oiramda homdagi another state on tokodubo see power silaiba. See the most important point amakhalaire. Article 2 deals only with the areas that are not already part of India. Sida yauriba Article 2 the yauriba posing si Han India da leiramtaba area ngaktaga deal togodaba mafamneba. Article number 2 bo yengminare. Mathang article number 3 mo yengminarse. Article number 3 authorized the parliament to form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting 2 or more states or parts of state or by uniting any territory to part of any state. Sida harise article number 3 na parliament kai power pire form a new state by separating of territory from any state. State amadagi tangkhai tathokpa amadi punsin mokochin ba magi parliament ki power laire. The uniting 2 state haise hana state ani laire moda amakata onsin giba amadi more states or parts of state by uniting any territory part of any state. Punsin ba khaido ko pa mai power ne. Amadi number 2 point that increase the area of the state. State amagi area increase to ngame. Diminish the area of the state. State amagi area decrease to ngame. Alter the boundaries of any state. State amagi area kudima alter to ngame. Alter the name of any state. State amagi maming su alter to ngame. Article number 3 lays down two conditions in this regard. Article number 3 na condition kara ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ꯫ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ꯫ A bill contemplating the above changes can be introduced in the parliament only with the prior recommendation of the president. Article number 2 da hairiba state ki area hingalanba, state ki area handahanba, state ki area thugaiba, punsinba singase kamaina process lai haiba matamda. A bill contemplating the above changes can be introduced in the parliament only with the prior recommendation of the president. President ki ayaba hana yauraga President ki recommendation ayaba hana yauraga bill asi parliament pukhatkadawbaneba. Before recommending the bill, the president has to refer the same to the state legislature concerned by expressing its view within a specific period. President da hairaba matungda bill ase president recommend tawdrikanda president aduna effect tawgadaba state aduda hana sigi bill sigi matangda haigani noi sigi state se noi gi state se khaidokpa yaraba punsinba yaraba hana moida refer tawgani moigi view do yengnabagi damakta sigi effect tawgadaba state tuda hana recommend tawgani hana refer tawgani maduda kaidawni the president or parliament is not bound by the views of the state legislature and may either accept or reject them even if the views are received in time. Matam sana noigi view do piro harba matam da moina matam sana view do pira ba so moigi apamdo moigi views to moigi views of state may either accept or reject them. Moina pame pamde takata di moina pamasu moina pamdrasu president na bill do recommend tawge khalaga din tawbe yai moina pamdragu so tum recommend tawbini moina pamang so recommend tawbini aduga parliament pukhalani president na hairabani na parliament na pass tawrani aduga president na magi soi law lapunda na president na mana recommend tawgiba bill oibani na mana dum sign tawraga aduga bill do pass tawgini non takpadi state ta hairiba state ki view lawriba si just a namesake amani hanja mayam sida khaminar si Makata na yeminasi. Article number 4 the Karihari. The Constitution Article number 4 itself declares that the laws made for admission or establishment of new states under Article number 2 and formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names existing state under Article number 3 are not to be considered as amendment of the Constitution under Article number 368. Haibadi koina Article number 3 ga 4 ga gi sizinaraga koigi amend tawba example state ama tangkai khaidokpa matamda state ani dugi maming tholani state ani punsinba matamda state amagi maming tholani adumai tawduna koi constitution je semba matamda masi constitution semiba article number 3 ga 4 ga semba constitution je koi kai haitare masi potse are not considered to be amendment of the constitution ki amendment hai lawroiba constitution amendment tawna phona da article 368 te yawriba article 368 te kari yawre khoi yeminase. What is Article 368? Power of Parliament to amend the Constitution. Constitution amend tawna phona da khoi special majority na inang mamangi class taksigi special majority da change adu busidadi just by simple majority na tawbi ai sigi state semdokpa state southokpa state pichinba alter tawba khotpa mayam se sigi article number 3 ga 4 ga da hairiba article number 2 ga 3 ga da hairiba mayam do article amend tawboina lawroiba koi constitution se maramdi moise state ki ming chawthokpani state takhai tabani state punsin nari masigi pose amendment of the constitution oina lawroiba maram aduna sigi bill ji pass tawna hona da koi kedawni only by simple majority na pass tawbi yaiba maramdi amendment of the constitution is just by simple majority ni yate ba di special majority changeba sida special majority na kai ki tawbi yaiba da yemina ngarang aina di hijackhrabani mama class ta special majority na kai ki tawbi yai majority of total membership of the house plus 2/3 of the members present in voting and aina mamang da hijagibido sida kari sigi amendment sina sigi majorities na kari constitution amendment tawbi yai du yemina si fundamental rights amendment tawbi yai directive principle of state policy amendment tawbi yai aduga constitution provision singso amendment tawbi yai